Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change email in Netflix or how to update your email on your Netflix account. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open your account, click on My Netflix, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, click on Account. After that, scroll down until you find email, click on it, and here it will tells you that there is your current email and you can enter below it your new email and just click save. And like that, you will modify, change, edit or update your Netflix email. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.